All right, here we go. So we're gonna make some, I don't know what the fuck this is called. All right, so we're gonna make some Looki pudding. We're adding in chocolate pudding mix. And we're gonna throw in some milk, 6 cups, to 2 family-sized packages of pudding. All right. Next, we're gonna whisk it up. And a faster whisk. Gonna grab the wooden spoon now. Remember what mix. Then we're gonna mix it some more. All right, lick the spoon.
Don't lick.
All right, check it out. That's pudding. Now we're gonna throw that in the fridge, couple minutes. And on to the Oreos. Double stuffed, throw them in the bag. And we're gonna break these up and use these to layer our pudding. So we'll smash them up with the mallet. Smash it up some more. All right, we're gonna check out, make sure it's good. And now we got our cups. Scoop out some Oreos. Start layering it. Put some pudding in. Now we're gonna layer it with some marshmallows. Some more Oreos. And then some more pudding. Do the same thing on the other one. And then some Hershey shavings on top. Same thing, marshmallows, pudding. Some more Oreo crumbles. Marshmallows, pudding. And then more marshmallows. And then finally the Hershey shavings. And we're going to top it with an Oreo. And that's the finished product. All right. And then next we're going to do the blue milk. We're going to add some ice. We're going to use some coconut milk. And if you want more creamy, add some cream of coconut, some pineapples, and then some passion fruit syrup. All right, and then we're going to add a little bit of blue dye. And then a squirt of watermelon syrup. All right, blend it up for a few seconds. And that's it, you got your blue milk. Now we'll cup it. And then we'll top it with some blue sprinkles. And that's it.